It's bloody freezing here in Norfolk. Well, I got to check in. I got about an hour before my flight. Oh, looking forward to trading these jackets and trousers for board shorts. So, made it to Miami. It's sunny out, it's warm out. We're going kiteboarding. Leave your bag, get picked up by some friends, have them have all your gear for you ready to go, and get to go kiteboarding in Miami. It's pretty special. So just to give you a bit of an insight, Miami was the first place I arrived at when I came to America, and these were two of my closest friends the whole time there. We go back for years, since 2011. These were my stomping grounds. Time to get out the old hard drives. There it is. So it was incredible to come back, get picked up at the airport with all the gear ready to go and hang out with some of my closest friends. We had done all sorts together over the years. This was my stomping grounds. I have videos from 2011 when I was first learning how to do basic kiteboarding tricks here. It was the time of my life, and it was just so good to see these guys again. It's incredible that when you leave the confines of your safe, comfortable job in your small town, how many amazing people and experiences you'll have. These guys I've known for almost 9 years now, and they will always forever be my friends. I have numerous stories of people that I've met along my travels that I will meet up with along the way, and it's just like we were old friends. I can't stress enough, if you want to go and explore an adventure and you're a little bit afraid, yes, it's scary, but I can guarantee you, you will have the most amazing experiences and meet the most incredible people.